And let's see how the free kick will be affected area. Ball
Baby Rooney TV experience.
across the face of goal. Nobody in particular. Nobody in particular to touch that ball.
Mr. Chairman, just zoom and put your camera on there.
Let's continue with the show. Justice Blay, yes.
Justice Blay.
Oh, it was nice. Go on. Nice.
Good pass there. Bono, our Ghana selection, very beautiful display.
Thank you.
Has no, but has been intercepted by the DC Ghana. Boys have taken the ball, pushing, left that one there. For Ghana. What a goal! Ghana select side! Ghana select side have proven their worth. 2 goals to 1. 59 minutes. 59 minutes. Ghana select side, Patial, Asante, Kotoko have scored the second goal of the game. 2 goals to 1. Agrona no ayade. Agrona no ayade. What a goal! What a goal! What a goal! Wow! We're about to start the second half of the game. The second half of the game. 60 minutes gone. We have 30 minutes barely to go. Ghana select side. Ghana select side beating DC United by 2 goals to 1 in the second half of the game. Lassie quickly taking a balloon one there, but ball has been allowed for goalkeeper. Good game. Good game there. The boys are points for action. They have been gingered. And
Nice one.
let me recommend Pay Angel for you, just in case you want to send money from America abroad, anywhere to Ghana. Just go to your Play Store and download Pay Angel. One of the smoothest way to transfer money from abroad to Africa, including Ghana. Pay Angel is the best. Pay Angel is the best. Let's continue with the show. A substitution coming the way of DC United. Number 21 Shadow coming on. And a substitution has been effected quickly, taking throw. Young Shorty about to be a PMO. DC United surging forward. And another opportunity coming. Sheba ball has been butchered away. Wonderful display by Kotoko boys. The boys are doing well. And they are not giving them the chance at all. It's a free kick to DC United. A free kick to DC United. 62 minutes played so far. Ghana selects Patial Asante Kotoko boys 2, DC United 1. Let's move on. This is Kings Jersey TV. Kings Jersey TV. Both Facebook and YouTube. Subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. Subscribe us on YouTube channel. Kings Jersey TV. A chance coming. Let's see what they can do. 1, 2, 3. A balloon one there. But the ball crosses the line for a welcome goal kick to Ghana select side. So far, so good. So far, so very, very good. Yes. So far, so good. But, and that's another throw into DC United.
God bless.
But throw quickly effected.
Thank you.
A very telepathic display. DC United seem to be surging forward.
Drop back.
Can they utilize it by the throw-in? A throw for Kotoko. Patial Kotoko. Mintiminka Kotoko fu. Ghana select side. Omu we need the stadium fan. Oh, okay. A very good pass there. Ghana select side. Surging forward. The boys are doing well. The boys are doing very well. Boss, hold this for me. I'm taking.
I got you.
Don't let your hand come here.
No. Come right. Touch him up. Oh, sorry, possible. Go channel.
Yellow. Straight yellow. No. Hey. Matuma.
It says drop. That's it. Come.
Let's continue with the game so far. 65 minutes played so far. Ghana select side 2, DC United 1. I see some of the players warming up. Substitution will be on the way soon. And let's see, continue the game. The boys are really motivated to poise for action. And let's see what happens. The ball has been cleared for a throw-in in favor of Ghana select side. So 2 goals to 1 for Ghana. 2 goals to 1 for Ghana. Kings Jersey TV bringing you Abochi live streaming. Mo manage why? Me who say be mo say me zoom me the phone eja ti mo manage. Anya easy sir. Yanko. Amaka Frank omo ho. A very let's go. And you can see the supporters.
Let's go, Ghana. Ladies, no hands.
Let's go, Ghana. Let's go, Ghana.
My politics. Let's go.
You gotta do a different one. Because this is not a Ghana team. It's not Ghana. It's not Ghana. It's not a Ghana team, though. It is. Asante can do that. Yeah. No, that's not national team. Yeah, no. Like shit to like. And I watch our clubs on Liverpool.
Sure.
Asante, Kotoko.
Where the Alpha? Yamchi Akensi and so. Bono Ayahuama Ghana. Almost so it's been blocked.
Five.
A very good interception there.
Thank you.
Beautiful one. Ghanaians are doing well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Akada Nkagana Asai Atwatna Yamchi Akensi and so. Akensi and Mwaya Day. Abrikwa and Echo. Ball center circle. GC United in possession. Ball. And it's a free kick.
Oh, please tell me it's not a yellow.
It's a free kick to.
Let's go, Ghana!
Free kick to GC United. Ball at the center area. And that is the scoreline there. 2-1 for Ghana. Ball goes over the line. And a ball to here. A balloon one in there. It's not easy. Bono. We jam with Fafa the Amani Nia Bon ever could GC United of Nanchano. We jam Akada. What a shot. But saved by the Bella over the bar. The guy targeted the last ball. But thanks be to God, it's over the bar. But
Run!
It's outside of the pitch.
And your full defense, communication, I easy, Ghana points for action. A goal kick to Ghana select side. And this is African City. Game.
That's it. You go. Thank you. That's it. Referee, what's on fire? President, you fouled that. I'm going on my contract. Oh, this is that. I had a hard in my flower. Yeah, I had to buy a match on the wall.
Temporary hold up there. 71 minutes gone. Gradually, we're clicking to the down part of the game. Ghana still lead by 2-1. Can they have a character attitude to maintain that scoreline? And if possible, add up to have a comfortable lead? Or they will allow themselves to be soaked by pressure? DC United guys controlling the ball. Balloon one inside by Kotoko guys. Good pass there. And meander through. Good telepathy. The ball has been intercepted. A throw-in for Ghana select side. They have really proven their work. Another substitution coming. Jemo the bonnet coach Chelsea Fefe the bonnet bananim. 1 hour. What's not an answer? Thank you. Safety first. Safety first. Safety first. Safety first. I'm trying to boy Jemo Fefe the Akumania. The man in the answer will be on her. The bonnet coach. When you Fefe the Akumania. Nanso. I'm Ranchano. Asante Bono. I can't say Anoya Day. Anoya Day. Anoya Day. Unbelievable prediction. Branchana Kwajibono and a 4 with Chabona Senanso. I am over the bar. I am over the bar. We shall Ghana for beer. Oh, boy, Chuma. I can't say Anoya Day. I can't say Anoya Day. Go kick to.
What the names are wrong. Hey, check it out.
I hate you, Uncle. Kings Jersey TV. Kings Jersey TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Abrina Yasavie. And you show Obianiati. Ghana Fono, Obia Abose. Say, come what may. Black Stars of Ghana showing a sign of victory. Victory, victory, victory. We go. On we go. We shall West now. Adajini Pusokra. 2 minutes to go. And still 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes. Ghana will run away with a beautiful victory. And let's come back to the game again. For a recess. Goalkeeper brings that ball for welcome goalkeeper to be fractured. I bring in a substitution. Ghana Mrantiano. Betina Bibiana. A long one, Sansin. Boys throw. 90 minutes in all, so 5 minutes and also Australia.
5, 6, 7.
You're cooking the garden.
9.
A time now, so. If you say every year, referee bet me up when I against you, yeah. Ghana, 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 Ghana. Go! Nanso. Akada. 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 Yay! Good display there. Possible on the money no should be. Say body them. Bone and say it. Can I'm Rantiano. How much me a day? Nanso. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Abrina Yaso. Abrina Yaso. Yeah, yeah. Yanko, Yanko. Referee bet me the number yabo. No, they can't say number na yet. Referee, referee, referee. Bet me the can't say number na yet. Ebusiafo. Referee bet me the can't say number na yet. Eya ka. Eya ka. Eya ka. Referee sana bra. What me die? Nanso, Ibono, where we go? Ghana, 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 Ghana.